In this video, I will show you that how to export post from your WordPress site. Here you can see in the post section, all posts, I have 5 posts, and you can see the content is unique without plagiarism, and if due to any security reason, if I want to save or export the backup of these posts, so how we can take it from WordPress, it's very easy. I will show you now. You can see these posts are written by me. So I will take a backup, or I will export these WordPress posts now from my WordPress dashboard. We will go to the tools section and export. And in the export section, here you can see we can export, choose what to export. If you want to export entire website content, then select all content. But if only you want to export post, as in this video we are discussing about this thing, so post. Now categorically also you can save like all categories, or for instance I have 5 categories. So if I want to save or export the post for a specific category, I can select, but we want to export all of them, so we will select categories all and download export file. So this will export a file, and you can see here the file name is here, and it's .xml file. XML stands for extensible markup language. So we have the file, we have exported the file, and it's in XML format, extensible markup language. So in future, if we want to re-import here, or even if we want to import in another WordPress dashboard, we can go to import section, and then we can import from here this WordPress plugin. But now you have learned like how we can export the post from WordPress. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.